So here we are at the airport. Got an early flight in the morning. Had a lovely time in Robertson and in Sutherland with family. Now I'm going up to see my mum. Just having a lovely meal here. 5 a.m. Sydney Airport. Off on our way to Cairns.
Like a bit of fishing out the reef.
So we've just arrived here in beautiful far north Queensland. Beach is just down that little track there, and this is where we'll be staying for the next week or so. Lovely little villa.
Hello, welcome.
Outdoorsy area, little oasis to the pool. It's bloody beautiful. Bacon and eggs from the Barbie. Bon appetit. 4 Mile Beach. I grew up on this beach. Not bad, eh? Beautiful far north Queensland.
Do a bit of stomping.
Bit of stomping. Through the jungle. Lizards, little lizards, there's loads of them around the place. When I was a kid, I used to run all the way through these bushes barefoot, making little forts and playing games. And here we are, safely back at home. Good. Arriving here at the Clink Theatre. Beautiful little theatre. Used to be the courthouse and the jail here in Port Douglas. We're off to see a show.